Okay, just now we have already learned some countries' name. So now I would like to introduce the difference between China and other countries. And the first part is about eat. So for Chinese, we prefer to use chopstick. So instead of this stuff from Western country. So this 筷子. First, I'm sorry that I only have Japanese chopstick at home. So, and I will not show you how I use it, because I always use it in a wrong way, because my parents didn't correct me when I was a child, but I still could catch it with this, but it's wrong, okay? So you could see other YouTubers video how could they use the chopstick 筷子, but this thing is called 筷子, 筷子, okay? And in Thailand, normally we use this 叉子, 叉子, fork. And this one, 汤匙, 汤匙, spoon. And about this one is 刀, 餐刀, 餐刀, knife. And about what we eat. For people from the south of China, we prefer to eat rice, 米饭, 米饭. But for people from north is this, 面条, 面条, and this one, 包子, 包子, buns. But I'm different. I like to eat 米饭 and 面条 at the same time. We prefer to eat 米饭, 包子, and 面条. And for my family, they prefer to not eat spicy food. So it's 辣, 辣. 他们不吃辣. They don't eat spicy food. But most Chinese, they could eat spicy food. 辣. 他们能吃辣. They could eat spicy food. And about the Chinese 辣, I think it's totally different from the 辣 from Thailand and Korea and Mexico. 辣is totally different. And I hope that you could have chance to try the Sichuan hot pot if there is one restaurant around you. And if you are in Bangkok, you go with me and then I can show you what kinds of la it is for Chinese. About our traditional clothes. So nowadays everyone wear the modern clothes, and so do the Chinese. And normally we would not wear our traditional clothes. When we are married, we would like to wear the traditional clothes of this one and this one and this one. So for girls, we will wear 龙凤褂, 龙凤褂. And there is another one called 绣荷, 绣荷. It's 绣荷服. And for the people who like to play the traditional Chinese instrument, they will wear the 汉服. 汉服 is the hand clothes. But nowadays, people will not dress it, go shopping every day. They will just dress it up when they want to take some good photos. And there is another traditional clothes is how I wear right now. It's called 旗袍, 旗袍, 冲伞. So it appears 1 century ago, and people would like to wear this one to show women's light shapes. But I don't have, okay. So nowadays, because vintage style, so lots of people would like to buy a 旗袍 and then wear it on the street. So it's not so surprised. But still, if people wear this 旗袍 on the street and they didn't take photos or something, just wear it to shopping, it's quite weird. So I think it's better that you just wear it in Chinese campus, or people will look at it in a weird way. And for men, they will wear 中山装. 中山装 is like this one. And about the modern transportation in China, normally most people when they travel between one province to another province, we prefer to use 高铁, 高铁, the high-speed train. And I prefer to take another train between my hometown to Guangzhou is this one, 轻轨, 轻轨. And it's quite cheap. It's around $3 from my hometown to Guangzhou, and it will cost about 15 minutes to 20 minutes, so it's quite convenient. And besides this, for the modern Chinese transportation, we also have Didi. Didi apps is like a Uber app, so it's pretty convenient. So if you go to China, please use Didi instead of to find the local taxis, because they always overcharge you a lot. They always overcharge me a lot, so I never take taxi in China when I was on the street. And maybe you also see this one, mobile bicycle. So it's a shared bicycle. We call it 共享单车. 共享单车. So mobile is quite popular apps in China. It will cost about 1 yuan per 30 minutes. We also could use 地铁, 地铁, subway, and 公交车, 公交车, or 巴士, 巴士, bus. And in China, we cannot use Google Map, so I prefer to use 高德地图, 高德地图, but sadly they don't have the English version. So learn Chinese well so that you can use it in China. And in Thailand, my friends would like to order food online, but I don't like to order food online because I think it's kind of waste. So in China right now, lots of people would like to order it online because it's quite cheap. So we will use this one, 美团外卖, 美团外卖. And it could help you buy lots of things, even though you want to let them to buy fruits for you, and even though you could let them to buy a temple for you if you want. So it's quite convenient. I think it's really nice to talk about some Chinese modern culture. And if you really want to travel in China and you have some problem, you could write some comments for me and text me directly. And I hope that you could enjoy learning some Chinese culture. And if you want to know more topic, you could tell me what kinds of topic you want to know so that I can make another video. So thanks for your watching. 再见, see you, bye bye.